Today I want to share with you a great program I've been using in my classroom to enhance my teaching experience with my students. So stay tuned. Hello, my name is Jose Velez, or as my students call me, Mr. Velez. And I'm a composer, musician, studio engineer, and a music teacher. I have been teaching general music for over 20 years, and I would like to share this program with you called Quizizz. I started using Quizizz in the second year of the pandemic as recommended by a great music teacher and a friend, Key Osbat. This is not a review, but more on my experience and approach and how I'm using it. Quizizz is a great online program that can be used from any devices simultaneously, independently, or you can easily assign it in Google Classroom or send the link somewhere else. Two major points that it was good for me, it was that students could work independently and I could assign in Google Classroom and receive the score directly in Google Classroom. It was very nice. I started using it as a supplementing in my teaching, and now I'm using it every day from my music classes, first grade to all the way to 8th grade. It's unbelievable because I'm not only using it for assessment but for a lot of practice before we move on. So that means that now I'm able to teach material that is really hard and make it fun and available for my students. For example, I'm doing now a music period listening test, and the student need to listen to the song and recognize if this is from the classic time, romantic time, baroque time, or modern time. And because we practice, because this program allows you to practice a lot, you can assign it in Google Classroom so they can practice at home. So when they come to your class to take the test, they are ready and familiar. Another example is you can explore and find whatever you need from other teachers. If I want to do xylophone, recorders, or drums, take the recorder, they can be prepared before they get to the recorder with the notes in the staff or in the recorder, and they can play this multiple times. So when they go to the recorder, they're ready to go. And if you don't want to make it, you just go to the explore section and start looking for quizzes. A quick search music instrument, and there you go, music instrument. Click there. And if you want to make it your own, if you want to change something, is the typo or something, just copy and edit, and you are ready to edit. This now is going to be in your library. Well, I hope you enjoyed this overview of how I'm using it and how it's gonna be helping you. It's been helping me a lot, so subscribe, give me a like, and see you next time.